Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we continue to dollar cost average $100 per week to build a massive crypto portfolio that's going to perform really well in this bull market. So let's go. Feels like I'm losing my voice today. Hopefully, this improves over time. But look, let's have a look at the current portfolio. Current value is 2,281.80. We're down 2%, which, we've seen a bit of a pump to the upside, bit of a pullback as we record this video. But Chainlink is our biggest investment in the portfolio, followed by Ethereum, Injective, Solana, Dfinity. We've got AVAX, Polygon, Stacks, Internet Computer, and Aptos. Now, let's talk about the altcoin that we're going to be looking to invest in this week. You can see here the total market cap of crypto has fallen 0.53%, with Bitcoin at 68K, which is doing phenomenally well at the moment. Maybe we see a little bit of a correction before we move massively to the upside. But look, what are we going to be investing in? We're going to be adding some more Aptos to the portfolio this week. Now, why Aptos? Now, we see everybody being really, really bullish when it comes to 𝗖𝗢, right? Again, a project that I've been calling out. I think it's going to do really well. Tools are good. It's intuitive, both front end and back end. The tools are really good. The programming language is good as well. And Aptos, I think it's going under the radar, but I don't think it's going to go under the radar for much longer. Seeing 𝗖𝗢 do really well, they use the same programming language, but I think that the tokenomics are actually better for this bull run for Aptos, and I also think that it's getting an awful lot of adoption, and there's more room for growth when it comes to Aptos. And I think that we're going to see some phenomenal price action for this altcoin. I'm interested to get your views and opinions, but let's get into some of the data that sort of talks about or highlights what I'm talking about, I should say. So we've got total value locked, right? This is in USD for Aptos, 717.38 million. I still think that there's room to more than double this, maybe treble or quadruple it. Again, it's intuitive, the back end, it's intuitive, the front end. And I've talked with Mo, one of the co-founders of Aptos, and they're future-proofing this blockchain. Now, I haven't spoke to any of the founders of 𝗖𝗢, so I don't know whether they're future-proofing their blockchain, but I have talked to, foundations. Solana Foundation, for example, doesn't seem to be as future-proof as, what Aptos is going to be, in my opinion. So based on the conversations that I've had and the understanding I've got of these blockchains, doesn't mean I'm necessarily 100% accurate. I do think that Aptos is poised to do really, really well, right? You can also see here when you change it from USD to APT, again, you're seeing some very, very big growth. I would go as far as to say this is, very fast growth, if not the fastest growth that we're seeing. But let's see if 𝗖𝗢's on here. 𝗖𝗢, just to give us a bit of a comparison, it's already at over 1 billion. Again, you're seeing very similar growth. I would say that the chart is better for Aptos when it comes to the growth aspect of things. So yeah, look, let me know your thoughts and opinions on this. Aptos currently down 1.11% at $10. This is the one that I think is worth investing in this week, and I would like to build the exposure that we have to it. So we're on BitGet now. We're going to go to APT, Aptos. I'll wait for that to load up. Again, we've got, I think it's about $101 in the account for this one. It looks like it's actually pulled back even further. So, $9.89. We should get a bit of a decent price here. We're going to buy at market price. We see it pulling back. So we're going to get ourselves a pretty decent deal here. We're going to buy at 100%, he says. 101 and 3 cents. We're going to buy at market price. So there we go. We've made the purchase. We go to purchase history. We bought 10.2 APT. We'll get that added to the portfolio now. We go here, add transaction. We've got the portfolio. We're going to put Aptos APT. There we go. The amount that we purchased, 10.2, I think it was, wasn't it? We'll just double check that on BitGet. Yeah, 10.2. Go to the portfolio. So there we go, and we're going to save that now. So we can see that Aptos is now jumped a few positions. It's now above our investment in Polygon, which I think is really good. Let me know your thoughts, your opinions on the portfolio, how it's going. 2.4% down. Again, not too concerned by this. I think, as we go into the actual bull market and we see the price discovery, this portfolio is going to be worth an awful lot. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll catch you in the video later today.